Hello, good morning dear students. Welcome to today's class. What is this? Mask. So, whenever you go out of your house, you need to wear the mask. Why do we need to wear the mask? For our safety. Okay. So, we need to wear the mask for our safety. Okay. Don't forget to wear the mask whenever you go out. Okay, dear students? Yes, you are good students. You will do it well. Okay, let us come to our lesson. Shall we go to the lesson? Yeah, let us see the story, what is happening. Okay, how the camel got his hump. Yes or no? Yeah, hump. So, you have seen the camel. Yes or no? How the camel got his hump. This is called, the raised part of its body is called hump. Okay, dear students? Let us see. Where did we stop the lesson? And what was happening in the last class? All the three animals. Which are the three animals? Horse, ox and dog. Three of them went to, where did they go? They went to Beijing. Okay, they went to Beijing. First they complained to the human being, but then he could not do anything. He could not help. He could not help. But only he said, the work which is done by the camel also, you three have to share it. Yes or no? By the way, what was the work of horse? Horse was trotting. And what was the work of the dog? Sorry, what was the work of the ox? Plowing. What was the work of the dog? Fetching and carrying. Very good. You are very good. What do you mean by Dijin? It's a kind of spirit. It can take the form of human being or the animal also. Okay, dear students? Now come on. So what are these three animals are doing? Because they are angry with the camel. Why? Because they have to share the work of the camel and do it. Extra work. So therefore they are angry. So they wanted to teach a lesson. They want to complain about the camel to the Beijing, and they went to Beijing. They conducted a meeting themselves and they are planning something. And the camel came there, and what did the camel say? Hum. And then it went off. Okay, so where was the camel living? In the desert. And what was the food that the camel was eating? Thistles and sticks. Okay, thorn bushes and sticks. Okay, so let us see. So three of them went one by one. First horse complained, Dijin of all deserts, he said the horse. Is it right for anyone to be idle? Horse is complaining. And then also ox also complained, and the dog also complained. And then what is this Dijin is going to do? The Dijin is going to teach a lesson to camel. Let us see what is the lesson he is going to teach. Okay, are you ready? Yes, let us read. Please take your supplementary textbook, page number 4. Page number 4. So here the Dijin has taken the form of a human being. Human being means like a jade. Okay, some jade shape. Okay, let us read part 2. The Dijin remonstrated with the camel, who said hum. Even the Dijin went to talk to camel, and still the camel said hum. The camel's beautiful back suddenly grew a lump. Okay, a lump. Lump means some big some people get here near the head some lumps. Okay, or on the body side somewhere. Okay, on the back and all lump like some extra growth like. Okay. So it got his hump became a little more bigger like now. Which was the camel's hump? The Dijin assured the camel his hump would always be a help, not a hindrance. So he is going to teach the camel. So these are the 3 hints. Okay, starting that 3 points are there and 3 sentences are those are hints of this part of the lesson. Okay, come on. The Dachshund rolled himself up in his dust cloak and took a walk across the desert and found the camel looking at his own reflection in a pool of water. So when the Dachshund went to see this camel, where was the camel? Near the pool. What was the camel doing? Looking into the pool water and looking at his image. So when there is a bucket of water, if you look yourself into the water, if you look into the water, you can see your reflection in the water. Yes or no? So same way, camel also is looking its reflection in the water and seeing his hump also. And my friend, said the Dachshund, what's this I hear of your doing no work? So Dachshund is asking camel, what is this, my dear? I heard a complaint about you. What is that? You are not doing any work. And the Dachshund sat down with his chin in his hand while the camel looked at his own reflection in the pool of water. Even though the Dachshund was asking the camel, what are you doing? Why there is a complaint about you? Why are you not working? And then camel is not bothering anything. And what was the camel continued doing? It was looking into the water and looking at its reflection. And then what is the reaction of Dachshund? Dachshund is sitting hand under his chin and looking at the camel, And let us see. You have given the 3 extra work ever since Monday morning, all on account of your idleness, said the Dachshund. And he went on thinking with his chin in his hand. So Dachshund is asking to camel, what is this? From Monday onwards you are not doing any work, and all those 3, horse, ox, dog, all those 3 are doing extra work because of your idleness. What is this? And Dachshund is asking and sitting and thinking like this. So when you look at the small children also sometimes, or the elderly people, when they sit in deep thinking, you can see them in this pose. Okay, let us see. When taking photographs also use it, no? Yeah, we pose for the photographs. So let us see. We are in page number 5. Look at the textbook. Hump, said the camel. Again the camel is giving the answer. What was the answer of the camel? The answer of the camel is hump. The answer of the camel is this. I should not say that again if I were you, said the Dachshund. You might say it once too often. I want you to work. So Dachshund was telling, if I am like you, if I am a camel, I should not have complained like you, like this, every time telling hump, hump, hump. And the camel said hump again, but no sooner had he said it than he saw his back, that he was so proud of, puffing up into a great big hump. So again the camel is telling to Dachshund hump, and then pumping like now it is making himself, it's a hump into big and big and big. Okay, let us see. Do you see that? Said the Dachshund. Dachshund is asking, do you see your hump? That's your very own hump that you have brought upon your very own self by not working. Yes. See, dear camel, do you see your hump at the back? Can you look at your back? We cannot look at your back. Yes or no? We cannot see what is there, what color is there, what kind of insects are climbing over there. We can't see, but only we can feel something. But then, so Dachshund is asking the camel, can you see that hump? The hump you got is because you didn't work, you are idle. That's why that hump, you are feeling the hump and saying and you are feeling so big hump. How can I, said the camel. So camel is asking, how can I, with this hump on my back, so I am having so big hump there, and how can I work with this hump? That has a purpose, said the Dachshund. Yeah, my dear camel, you don't know that. Okay, that has got a purpose. Okay, that has got a purpose. See, some people have something special things on the body, or it's not because it's a sickness, but it's just a thing that is some growth, unnecessary growth, or extra finger here hanging, or for some people it will be very strong here, the finger, extra finger, sixth finger. So it's not something, it is by birth they got it. It's not extra, it is not heavy, it is not something disturbance, but it's a natural thing, it is something natural. But then this camel is not able to accept that. Okay, and then what is, all because you missed those 3 days, because you did not work for 3 days. That's what you will be able to work now for 3 days without eating, because you can live on your hump. And don't you ever say, I never did anything for you. Come out of the desert and go to the tree and behave. So the Djinn is telling, my dear camel, these 3 days you are going to work without eating food, and without eating food for 3 days you can remain, you are able to sustain yourself because of your hump. Yeah, so if you read about the camel, this camel has hump here. It's able to store his water and food. Why? Because the camel is used in the desert for traveling, for carrying the goods. Why? In the desert we don't get water, proper food. So therefore, this animal only can remain in the desert for 2-3 days together. Okay, 2-3 days it can travel without food and without water. Why? Because this has a facility, this has a possibility, this is blessed with this hump to store energy, food, water for days together it can store. And then this helps the camel to go around without food and drink for 2 to 3 or 4 days. Okay, that's what Djinn is teaching the camel. So 3 days you are going to work without eating and drinking. Why? Because your hump is there for you, and you should join with the other 3 and start to behave properly. And the camel went away to join the 3. And from that day to this day, the camel always wears a hump. We call it hump now, not to hurt his feelings. But he has never yet caught up with the 3 days that he missed at the beginning of the world. And he has never yet learned how to behave. Even though the camel went, the Djinn told the camel, go and join those 3 animals. Even though the camel went to join the 3 animals, but never learned to behave properly. And then it has accustomed itself to carry that hump, to feel that hump as one in its body. Okay, dear students. So this is what when you accept, when you consider means like it's mine. I always study. So like that, when you take it into positive thing, then nothing will be difficult for us, nothing will be big for us. And also, as we are studying, you can study easily when you have such kind of thought like accepting. Yes, I will study. Yes, I study. So that kind of acceptance should be there. Okay, dear students. So finally, the camel accepted its hump, but it was called hump, but not to hurt its feelings, we call it hump. Okay, dear students. There's a slight difference in the spelling. You can see the meaning also. Look into dictionary and find the meaning. Why? Because if I say, you will not learn, you will not remember. If you find out it is your greatness, you will remember well. Okay, dear students, I believe and I teach you to learn by yourself so that you will remember well. Okay, dear students, so take care, read the lesson again 2 or 3 times, enjoy the lesson in reading, and have a good day. Stay safe.